Hello mga kapatid, so I just want to share with you another recipe or another cooking series. So this time we're making a baked chicken wings and vegetables. So lagi ko to siyang ginagawa sa whole chicken, pero this time we're going to make a chicken wings. So para maiba naman. So it's the same procedure, you just marinate with salt, sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, lemongrass, garlic, and then the Sprite. For now, but use 7-Up here. And then olive oil. Kung mayroon kayong olive oil, pwede din olive oil. So, yun yung gagamitin nyo. So, yung sugar ko na ginamit dito, muscovado sugar. So, ito yung makikita nyo kapag after 1 day. So, bubutasan ko siya guys para matuhog ko siya. Kasi, I'm planning to use like grilling. Yung alam niyo yung parang lechon siyang umiikot-ikot. Wala lang, trip ko to. Bakit ba? So, ayun. So, yummy din siya, guys. Kasi, 'di ba? Kasi kapag binarinate mo siya ng matagal, talagang yummy yun siya. Kaya, kapag tumatagal, lalo daw sumasarap eh. Just kidding, guys. Kasi, kapag binarinate nyo ng matagal yung chicken, actually, like, you want to do lechon manok or roasted chicken, so, better to marinate it for 1 day kasi mas yummy yun siya. And then, ang nagpapayami talaga dyan isa is lemongrass. So, yun yung isa. So, as the same procedure na ginamit ko sa lechon manok ko nung karaan. So, now, gagamitin natin siya sa chicken wings. So, yung vegetables ko dito, guys, is zucchini. Para hindi ka na magluto ng vegetables, ilagay mo lang sa baba. Tama na. And then corn, carrots, and the broccoli. So, spread with some olive oil din siya guys. Lagyan siya ng olive oil para masarap. And then, ayan, yung chicken nyo din, lagyan siya olive oil. Ginaniyan ko siya, oh, kita mo, di ba? Parang lechon, ano lang. So, ayan. So, ilagay natin siya within 45 minutes sa oven. Tapos, after 45 minutes yan guys, isluto na yan siya. Ganyan na siya. Kanya na siya kasarap tingnan. So, ayan, you can have your yummy chicken wings na, baked chicken wings and vegetables na. So, thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan niyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.